Hello everybody, welcome. We have a special full ride POV for you today, but it is none other than the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind Holiday Edition with a full-on holiday overlay. No one's ever seen this before. This is the first time it has ever existed, the first day for it, so we're going to get to see it. We're going to film the whole thing. We don't know if the queue is going to have different things. We don't know if it looks different on the outside. We don't know if the entire ride is different or not. We're going to find out together, so stay tuned. It's going to be awesome.
Observant Terrans may have noted that they provide the inspiration for the distinctive symbol of the Nova Corps, our intergalactic peacekeeping force. My home planet might look familiar to you, as it shares many features with your Terra. Xandar is known as a peaceful paradise in the stars, a beautiful world filled with land masses and dominated by vast blue waters. From space, you can see maelstroms, powerful whirlpools which we harness for energy. Observe our many atolls, what you call coral reefs, colorful algae bloom in our waters and provide sustainable farming while also giving On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Xandar features an unparalleled collection of arboretums and recreational areas for all to enjoy. Our biomes feature rare species of flora and allergic life.
Balance together. These
contrasting colors, blending the glass of the cockpit seamlessly into the metal of the rest of the ship.
Exactly.
The exact storyline of
The Star Blaster is a multi-functioning single pirate ship designed exclusively for members of the Nova Corps. Do not underestimate the sophistication of this ship because of its size.
The Nova Corps began with just 500 members and served as Earth. Today, we operate as a massive universal peacekeeping force. As you might expect, the Nova Corps maintains a strict dress code that reflects each rank, the highest of which is Nova Prime. Both Nova Corps and the Xandarian government are led by
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, I'm the leader.
Captain. Captain Leader.
I thought the leader was Star-Lord?
Yeah, we only let him think that. But don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him Pete Rouge. Okay. It wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous Groot? That day at the battle. Tell us in your own words.
Making room for everyone. Thank you.
But it's pretty good. And it's
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
I'm not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's on the cosmic generator. He's creating a jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Wait, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's King. Where's this King?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This planet is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. You'll have now, because this planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? They're still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan's never gonna work.
Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed. What's to follow me? What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
All the way.
Oh, crud. Is that the ding dang? The Big Bang!
Gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator! Oh, yeah!
I have been really good this year.
You're all heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they choose?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Wow, that was so much fun. I love that ride. Still my favorite ride in all of Disney. Hands down for me, it's the best. It was just a new song. Pretty much all it was. And it was just a new song. That's all it was. It's called Run, Rocket Run, I believe. And it's only one song.
And a few narration differences.
Yeah, I think Rocket at the very end says something about we've arrived at the North Pole or something like that.
Yeah.
And then Groot says Groot a few times. The song itself is a brand new song. It's like a medley of songs like Deck the Halls and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or Run something or other. And then I don't know, it's a cool medley, but it was created uniquely for this ride. And it's the same song for everybody. There's only one song and it's going to be for everybody. So you don't have to worry about getting different songs or missing out on the holiday version. It's just the one song, which means it's not going to change every ride, but it's only going to be for, a few weeks. So I'm going to be glad to see the original version return at the end of the holidays, but until then I'm going to enjoy this new version. I love it. But there was no overlays in any of the ride cues or anything like that. It really was just a song change, a little bit of extra dialogue, but still a lot of fun. So I'm glad we got to see it opening day. I feel like we're in the club now. Now we know what it's about, and hopefully you do too. No, there's no club. So let us know what you think in the comments. Or do you think it's cool? Do you like it? Do you like the music? Do you think it's a good song? Have you ridden it? Do you want to ride it? Let us know in the comments. So there you have it. Awesome ride. Thanks for joining us. We got all sorts of other content. Be sure to check it out down below. I'll link to a bunch of videos. Like, subscribe. I don't know what I just said, but like, subscribe, share. Until we see you next time, the Noble Way.
It's easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.